I am extremely happy to inform you that as a close associate and friend for last 30 years with Mr. late Yash Chopra, whom we are missing, a man who has been in the film industry for last 60 years. The film industry has been phenomenal, spectacular, matchless. Besides that, he has been a great human being. He made films and gave a melodious music. National Yash Chopra's Memorial Award carrying 10 lakhs will be given this year to Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar. This award function will be held on October 19th in Mumbai, in the Grand Hyatt Hotel.
There is, it's similar to the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, but the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, a lot of this generation are not really aware of. So I think it's the right thing to have an award which this generation knows of. I mean, a person like Yashji is certainly known by all ages, and so I think it's a brilliant idea to have such an award. It would encourage people to be more creative, to get rewards at the end of it, and I know that there will be a lot of credibility attached to this award, which I think is very, very important. I know we'll do our best, and I think if you wish us good luck, this will be a very successful venture.
Like something like Dada Saheb Award, that's what he wants it to be. We are all here to support this, so and every year we will be there to decide who will be the winner.
Well, my association with Reddy Saab and SG has been a very long association, and what I liked about both of them were they were basically very happy people, very happy. Like SG was always a person who was a giver, besides being a filmmaker, and I know the kind of love and affection both had for each other, and I feel nobody better than Mr. Reddy to really come up with this kind of an award. And when he called me up, I says, Anil, this is what I'm thinking, that I want to give an award, and yes, in the name of Yash Ji, and in his memory, Yash Chopra National Memorial Award. I said, wonderful, because we all love Yash Ji. It's an honor for me to be associated with such an award, and such a wonderful person Mr. Reddy is, and of course with Simi ji and Hema ji there as jury members. I'm very honored, and wish us luck that every year we do this with dignity and honor.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि जब मैंने मशाल साइन की तो उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि तू कोई फिल्म वो समझे कि मैंने बोला मैं बहुत साल दिन एक फिल्म वो कर रहा हूँ और आपकी ये दूसरी फिल्म है। मैंने एक्चुअली उनसे झूठ बोला था कि यही 2 फिल्में हैं मेरे पास। तो हम लोग जू से उनके घर से निकल रहे थे और वहाँ से गुजर रहे थे, और जैसे गुजर रहे थे तो उन्होंने एक पोस्टर देखा, एक फिल्म का। वो देखा कि मेरा चेहरा उस पोस्टर बैनर लगा हुआ था, वो मेरा चेहरा है। तो उन्होंने देखा फिल्म का नाम था रचना। तो बहन के लगे ये कौन सी पिक्चर है? मैंने बोला ये फिल्म मैंने बचपन में की थी बराबर।
I'm happy that I worked with him in these pictures. He's such a great director. लेकिन अफसोस है कि उसके बाद जो इतनी अच्छी पिक्चरें हीरोइन ओरिएंटेड बनाने लगे उस वक्त मैं नहीं कर सकता।
I am his Sali. He's married to my sister, and he always used to call me that Sali Adi Gharwali. And I was also happy that, apart from being same family, that I had a chance of working with him in Kabhi Kabhi, and I enjoyed it a lot. So for me, the loss of Yash Ji is not just the loss of a very great and fine filmmaker, the finest of our century, but it's also the loss of a family member.